I just had some of the most delicious homemade fries. I first baked them in the microwave, and then I tossed them with a little bit of oil, garlic powder, paprika, salt and pepper, and what else did I put in there? Garlic powder, paprika, salt and pepper, nutritional yeast, and a little bit of rice flour. I gave a little bit of that crust, and so I just shook it really vigorously, and then I put it in the air fryer for like 8 minutes.